Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. Yamaha has released information about its all-new 2019 YZ250F. The 2019 YZ250F utilizes an all-new engine design that features electric starting, a new cylinder head, piston, camshaft profile, cylinder geometry, larger diameter clutch and more. The bilateral beam frame is all new with an optimized engine mounting position to improve the machine's rigidity balance. The bilateral beam frame is all new with an optimized engine mounting position to improve the machine's rigidity balance. Redesigned bodywork and ergonomics provide a lighter and more compact feel with easier rider movement. The 2019 YZ250F becoming the world's first production 250cc motocross bike with a wireless smartphone-based engine tuner. For 2019, Yamaha has refined its distinct rearward slanted cylinder design for the YZ250F engine. The liquid-cooled, .4-valve, fuel-injected engine features a forward-position straight-down draft intake with symmetrical intake and exhaust ports, available in either Team Yamaha blue or white color schemes, complete with the onboard communication control unit (CCU), and the Yamaha smartphone power tuner app. The all-new 2019 YZ250F will arrive at Yamaha dealers beginning in June 2018 with MSRP of $8,199.